Hello again and welcome back to another AC tutorial. Are you ready to take your lead scoring strategy to the next level? In this video, we will dive into dynamic lead scoring in ActiveCampaign, how to automatically add or deduct points based on engagement. If you are already using the static lead scoring as a baseline, I'm going to show you how to layer in the dynamic scoring for real-time tracking of lead activity, so you know exactly who's engaged or who needs a little nudge. Now you feel ready, open your accounts, and let's get started. In our last video, we covered static lead scoring, where points are fixed based on key actions, like makes a purchase, subscribe to a list, and so on. Dynamic scoring, on the other hand, updates automatically based on ongoing engagements with the help of automations, meaning that you can add points to contacts if they are interacting with your campaigns, visiting your websites. You can deduct points if they are lacking these engagements, if they unsubscribe, and you can always keep your score fresh so your sales team can focus on the hottest leads. Implementing dynamic lead scoring to your strategy offers you several advantages. Real-time insights. Stay updated with the latest engagement metrics. Enhanced segmentation. Target leads more efficiently based on current behavior. Improved sales efficiency. Prioritize outreach of the most engaged leads. Let's create a dynamic scoring by creating an automation that adjusts the points based on your contact's interactions.
The first thing that we're gonna do is to go into automations, and you can either create a new automation from scratch to do your dynamic scoring or just adjust an existing one. In my case, I already have one, so let's have a look at it. This one is adjusting campaign engagement. So if a contact has clicked a link on my emails, any link on any campaign, and I can adjust the points to be added once or multiple times. Or if a contact has opened an email, and same thing, once or multiple times. Once my triggers are done, I'm going to select the action to adjust the score. Any dynamic score needs a static score activated on the back end as a baseline. For this case, my campaign engagements. Then I'm going to add, subtract, or set to a specific value. In this case, every time that they took those actions, I'm going to add 10 points. And I can decide how long it's going to take to expire those points, making it dynamic. So every time a contact clicks a link on my campaigns or opens a campaign, they're going to get 10 points added to the score. Now let's create the dynamic score for your website activity. So for every visit, we're going to adjust points. The very first thing, we're going to select the trigger, contact visits a page. We're going to add your website, and we're going to add the wildcard, which means that for every page on your website, this is going to trigger this automation. I'm selecting to run multiple times, so these points are going to be adjusted for every visit. Now the action to adjust the score. The same thing, I'm going to use my website's static score as the baseline, and I'm going to add 10 points for every website visit. And I'm gonna set the expirations of these points for 3 months and save. So every time a contact visits any page on my website, they're gonna get extra 10 points adjusted to their score. Next up, we're gonna create an automation to deduct points based on lack of engagements. In this case, I already have an automation tracking lack of engagements and adding a tag, inactive, no activity, to the users who are not interacting with my marketing efforts. So every time they get that tag assigned, I'm adjusting also their score. For this, you can select the static score on the back end, for example, campaign engagement, and I'm deducting an X amount of points, for example, 50 points, from my campaign engagement static score. You can adjust as you wish, or you can also adjust the scores to a specific value, like no engagement equals 0 points, and save. So every time a contact gets this tag inactive added, their points are also going to be equal to 0.
By integrating dynamic lead scoring into your ActiveCampaign strategy, you can more accurately assess and respond to your leads' engagement, creating a more holistic approach on how you are measuring the success of your marketing efforts. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.